It's your boy Taylor Grant here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and what we do is we are public insurance adjusters, and a real quick rundown of that is we help you, the policyholder, the insured, the property manager, the property owner, whatever you might be, if it's a school district, if it's a commercial property, industrial, municipality that needs help fighting the insurance company because they're not actually paying the claim fairly, you would contact us and we would work on your behalf, not the insurance companies, but your behalf as the policyholder to get the insurance company to pay what is rightfully owed based on the coverage in your policy and everything else that is outlined within that policy. If it is covered, insurance companies should pay that. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. But you know why I'm here. Do you? Do you know why I'm here? I'm here because I'm going to talk to you about the denial of the day. It comes from City of Arvada, Colorado. 30-year homeowner with one previous claim. I went forward to put forth my second claim only to be sent on a wild goose chase on quotes, estimates, reasons for causing damage, only to come out with a declined claim. The same issue happened with the first claim and finally got the first one approved. Terrible adjusters who have little to no customer service skills. She even mentioned for me to read the small print on the policy. Just an awful experience. Please, if you read this, switch your insurance provider today. Don't wait. After reading the other reviews, I wish I've changed it years ago. So ultimately, there's a clue in that, right? There's a clue because if you're looking to get insurance, make sure you look at the reviews for the insurance company that's giving you maybe the best quote or maybe not the best quote. But ultimately, what I'm saying is there's a lot of options for you. And if you are looking around for insurance, make sure you find the right company for you. I always say, you've heard me say it before, cheap insurance is cheap until you need a claim paid. Then it gets really expensive, right? Because you might have to hire an engineer, you might have to hire a public adjuster like us, you might have to hire an attorney, because cheap insurance gets you in the door, and then the claims department, it's a little bit of a different department. They operate completely differently than the agent or the sales side, right? So ultimately, think about that. I really want to educate people because when I get involved in a situation where the coverage isn't correct or the policy doesn't have the coverage that the insured thought it did, then that's a problem and it causes so many issues. So if you run into a situation where the insurance company is not treating you fairly on your insurance claim and you know they should be paying more, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us help you.